Ain't no mountain high enough.
Okay.
Eto na, pili na ng letters. E or A. Takbuhan na!
Charge! Okay. Wala pang tanungan, pero panalo na agad kayo ng 1,000 load from Globe at may kaspang dala ang Sex Bomb!
Si Luis!
Breaking it up and setting it off in the real way, making the girls them chill their mind, making them have a good time. Yeah, man. SBZ, yo, alongside Riri. Come down now, Rihanna. Take it to them, girl. Trouble out there, and to be out the world, and to one of the man, do the body style. Right side, listen up on my file, it's a long time now, my one flow the style. Flow the style, my car run like the Nile, the most energy, no one here tonight. Give out tonight, I make you feel right, it's about like the night, that beat on the hot car. We give it to the girl, then make them real up on ball and make it down. And the time she wants it back, she have to call, that she fall. I'm hitting it on the spot, and now the rain stop. When it feels so great, I can feel it, so I'm on top, what you think, say?
Back it up.
Immediate, if not before. Break it down, take it down, no mistake it down.
Oh!
Luis! Yan si Luis.
Magkano ang tatanggapin ng bawat contestant? 1,000 pesos.
Luis.
At kayo ang una, Joe.
Okay, simulan natin ang tanungan. Letter A, Rosa.